Let's problem, okay. First term is given. Second term B. Third term C. We have to show what we have to show. Hn is equal to A plus C, B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus C. We have to show it. Okay. So here first term is A. A is equal to A. B is equal to B minus A. Now we have the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So we'll put it here. Tn is nothing but C. Okay, Tn is C. Okay, this is the last term. Okay. So therefore put it here. Therefore C is equal to A is A plus n minus 1. D is B minus Z. Okay, so take this side. Okay, this side. C minus J is equal to n minus 1 into B minus A. Take this down. C minus A upon B minus A is equal to n minus 1. Now take this one this side. Therefore, C minus J upon B minus A. Take 1 this side. Plus 1 is equal to n. Now cross multiply this. C minus A plus B minus A divided by B minus Z is equal to n. Minus J minus 2A. Okay. So C plus B minus 2A upon B minus Z is equal to n. Okay. So we are getting here this one. So we can rearrange it. Therefore, n is equal to B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. Okay. Now we want to show it. Okay. We'll show that. We have the formula. Hn is equal to n by 2 and A plus Tn. Formula A is given, so it will be Hn is equal to n is this. N is this, okay. That will become B plus C minus 2A upon, here already 2 is there, keep it like this, B minus Z. That everything is there. Then plus A plus Tn is nothing but C. That we have to arrange it. You already got it. Okay. So Hn is equal to A. Arrange it little bit. Take this side, take that. And it will be plus C minus 2A upon 2 into B minus. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we do another problem. Twelfth problem, okay, important. What is given? Sum of P term is equal to sum of Q term given. To show that sum of P plus Q term is 0. Okay. That we have to show. We know the formula, general formula, Hn is equal to n by 2 So it is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. But here p is given instead of n, p. Instead of n, p is given. So therefore Sp is equal to p by 2 p by 2 2a plus instead of n, p will come p minus 1d, and Sq is equal to q by 2 2a plus q minus 1d. Okay, here q means all will be q, p means p, n means n. So that's all you have to write. Then you have to equate it. Okay, but Sp is equal to Sq given. Okay. So we'll equate it. Therefore p by 2 2a plus p minus 1d is equal to q by 2 2a plus q minus 1d. 2 cut. Okay. Now take it inside. Okay, take this p inside. That will become 2ap plus, take p inside, p into p minus 1d. Similarly this side 2aq, and take this q inside, q into q minus 1d. Okay. Now take this side, group it, take 2ap minus 2aq plus, okay, plus it is like this, p into p minus 1d, take this side, okay, minus q into q minus 1d is equal to 0. Okay. Now you take common, take out 2a p minus q plus, in the d is common, take it out d. What is remaining? P into p minus 1 minus q into q minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now take it inside. Okay. That will become 2a p minus q plus d. Take inside, it will become p square minus p minus q, and here minus q square minus plus q is equal to 0. Okay. You have to just expand it. Okay, that's all. Therefore 2a p minus q plus, group it, this and this, group it, d p square minus q square. Okay, p square minus q square, and take minus p plus q is equal to 0. Now 2a p minus q plus d. Okay, now you write it, p square minus q square, take minus common, put bracket p minus plus minus q is equal to 0. Now we know the formula, p square minus q square is p plus q, p minus q. Okay, that we write it here. 2a p minus q plus d. Write it as p minus q, p plus q minus p minus q is equal to 0. Okay, now common, take it out, 2a plus p minus, take it out, t into p minus q. What is remaining? P plus q minus, it came out, it will be 1 is equal to 0. Again take common, okay. Take out p minus q. Take big bracket, okay. It will become 2a plus d into p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. It will go here. So that will be 0. 0 upon p minus q is equal to 0. Therefore 2a plus, take d that side, okay. Take d that side, it will become p plus q minus 1 d is equal to 0. Do you take this side? I got this. Okay. Now what is this? Sum of p plus q by 2. Instead of n is equal to p plus q. Okay. That will become p plus q divided by 2. Then 2a and n is nothing but p plus q. Okay. That will become p plus q and minus 1 and d. But this part is 0. So p plus q upon 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore as p plus q is equal to 0. Okay. Difficult है problem, but you have to follow the steps. I hope you got this. 13th problem. Okay. M times mth term. Okay. When it is m into tm. Okay. So m into tm, that is equal to n into tn. It is given. Okay. We have to show that, to show tm plus n is equal to 0. Okay. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d and Tm is equal to a plus m minus 1d. M means m, that's all. That we will write it here. So m into a plus m minus 1d. Let's take square bracket, okay. Is equal to n into Tn is a plus n minus 1d. Okay. Now you have to just take it inside, okay. Take it inside. Ma plus, first we'll solve this part, okay. It will become easy then, okay. M into a plus md minus d is equal to n into a plus nd minus d. Okay. Now you take inside. That will become ma plus m square d minus md. Here also take it. It will become na plus n square d minus nd. Now take all this side. Group it. So ma minus na, that is m square d minus n square d. Take this also. That will become minus md. It will come this side, it will become plus nd is equal to 0. Okay. Now take here common is there, okay. I think a is common, take, you will get like this, okay. Here d is common, m square minus n square, and here also d is common, take d out, m minus n is equal to 0. But we know this formula, m square minus n square is equal to m plus n, m minus n. Okay. That we will write it here, a into m minus n plus d m minus n, m plus n minus d m minus n is equal to 0. Okay. So here m minus n, m minus n, m minus n is there, means we can take common. Okay, we can take the common, take full out, it will become m minus n. It is remaining is a plus d m plus n minus d is equal to 0. It will come here, so that will become a plus d into m plus n minus d is equal to 0 upon m minus n. That will become 0. Okay. So therefore a plus d m plus n minus d is equal to 0. Again common is there, again take it, a plus d m plus n minus d you took out, it will become 1 is equal to 0. Take the d that side, that will be a plus m plus n minus 1 d is equal to 0. Okay. Now write this formula. Okay. You know Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay. So here n is equal to, but here n is equal to m plus n. That's why it will become T m plus n is equal to, a is like this, a plus n is m plus n. N is m plus n. So that will become m plus n minus 1 bracket close d. But this everything is this. Okay. That is equal to 0 from 1. Therefore T m plus n is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you got this. Next we do another problem. 14th problem, boxes given. Okay, the boxes are given. Fill it. Okay. Simple enters after 1 year. Just cancel this. 1 into 100, 100. Here also cancel this, cancel 0. 2 into 100, 200. Right here 1000, 100, and after 3 years, 3. Cut this, that's all. So similarly for 4th year it will be 400. For 5th year it will be 500. It will go on like this. Okay. So what is AP? So our AP is, starting from here 100, 200, 300, 400, it will go on like this. Okay. So A is 100, D is 200 minus 100. Okay. So D is equal to 200 minus 100, that is also 100. You will get 100. Now you have the formula, A is 100 and D is also 100. Okay. So you have to calculate this. It will become 20 minus 1. Okay. That will become 19 into 100. That is 1900. Okay. And plus 100. That will become 2000. That's all you have to write it. Very simple. I hope you got this. This is the final answer for this. Next time we will do another chapter. Okay. Financial planning. Next video.